Hey guys, just got a DJI Osmo 2. Just going to do a quick unboxing. I'll be back later on with the review once I've had a good chance to test it out and see what it's like. Picked this up at the Apple Store. Hopefully it works well with the new iPhone XS. What have we got here? Oh, another sticker. Righto, so we've got some quick start guides just here in a little plastic sleeve. So I'll have to read all these. That's a disclaimer, no one ever reads those. QR code. And what have we got inside? Oh, nice. Comes in this DJI styrofoam by the looks of it. Oh, it's a little carry case. That's pretty handy. Got your silica gel. Comes with a little charging lead. Notice it's micro USB-C. I don't know why they haven't, micro USB. I don't know why they haven't gone to USB-C yet. Let's get this sucker out. Well, there you go. So there's obviously a little servo motor there, and on there. And then this adjusts to portrait and landscape mode, I assume. And then that's your little clamp for your device. And it looks like there's also an adjustment just here to, must be to like stabilize the phone, help with leveling. Yeah. Okay, well, that's pretty much the unboxing. So I'll charge it up and give it a whirl tonight and hopefully be back with a review. That is one handy little carry case, but it's good that they, well, I don't know how long it'll last, but it's good that they provide that with it. That's very handy. So it doesn't get damaged in transit. So yeah, I'll charge it up and give it a bit of a go tonight and tomorrow, and come back soon with a review. Thanks for watching, guys.